Okay, I'm gonna do another test with my Pikachu frame. It's a plus configuration frame on a design of myself and my buddy, turbo FPV with the canopy made by Softflow FPV. So it's a CSS build, veloz motors 2207 1950 kV. I got my caddx vista in it and a T motor 20 by 20 45 amps F7 processor on the latest Betafly RPM filter and all that jazz. For the battery, China Hobby Line Black Series 1100 milliamperes. So let's do this test.